So hi! My name is Angelee and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my very first or my introductory content for my journey of vlogging. So let me tell you guys a little bit about myself. So my name is Angelee or just Angelee. And I am 23 years old. I'm an interior design graduate from the De La Salle College of St. Benilde batch 2019. It took some time before I've had the guts to do vlogging or doing content, because I think it's just this year na I realized na I wanted to do this. I've had the strength. And matagal ko na actually plan, talagang nag-iipon lang ng lakas ng loob. So this is my first ever to talk na project by heart, since this is me as a designer. This reflects who I am as well, because this is my bedroom. Shout out to Erica Napolitano here for encouraging me to do this room tour vlog. I really made sure muna na tapos siya, pero actually, when you revamp a room, especially your own, it's never ending. It takes a long process, since lalo na pag you find pieces that it's more about yourself, you tend to, add it on. Now, let me show you around. Let's go! Originally, this was a peach-colored bedroom. Then this was my balcony at the right. Then by March, this is how it turned out. I retained my old wallpaper and just painted the walls clean white. But still, for me, it lacked character. Fast forward to September, so here is the room reveal. Very boho, very chic. It has this garden feel na I really wanted to achieve. This is my bed. Sobrang dream ko talaga ng olive green na bed sheets. And yeah, nahanap ko to sa Instagram. Worth 500 pesos only. Sa Hilig Craftery. Super soft and super okay na yung quality for its price. And also, if you noticed, I changed my wallpaper. So this wallpaper pattern is from Heim. I bought it from Wilcon. Yes, pre-order to since out of stock nung first visit namin. So yeah, isang roll lang to. Buti naman kinaya for my wall. I guess I am a boho person. I prefer patterns, or I want to have something of an accent. It's my personality. Now here is the opposite wall from the bedside leading to the extension. And here's my rattan rack with my ever so loved diffuser. Now here I am applying the taffeta sheen color or olive green color of my dreams in this accent portion of my extension. So yes, here are my abubots. This is a short stop motion clip I did after the paint dried and I started rearranging the revamp space. And this is my goal when I will do every revamp project I will ever have. So have fun and enjoy! And now let's proceed to our extension. So this was a former open space we decided to enclose to further maximize the use of the space and turn it into my workstation slash photographic wall area and Kemelu Eklavu. Since this area is exposed to natural light and ventilation, I really wanted to showcase the bohemian feel of the space, especially this, my Florita chair, very cute from Cebu. And yes, very evident woods and whites with an accent of greens. So yes, rattan materials. And also, let us not forget to observe the ergonomics of the furniture, promote proper posture, and to avoid discomfort and pain to our body. This house was built back in 2017. I was still in college back then. So, ayun, I never got full hands-on on this. Well, it was on the construction phase, and of course, I was still figuring out what I really love sa design. Kaya hindi ko ganun matutukan. So, the outcome, I was really happy. But as time went by, parang may kulang talaga eh. It felt really bland. Pre-COVID, I really want na, or I am a fan of a bohemian lifestyle already. Kasi I'm an eclectic person eh. So, yeah. Colors talaga. But still, more on neutrals din. I have the love for neutrals since it is very timeless, madaling bagayan, and alam niyo yun, pag magpapalit, yun, madali lang. I have this love for nature din kasi, as you can see, I chose materials also na, ayun, locally sourced, locally available, and sustainable. So, evident materials around my room is, or are rattan. Yan, rattan materials. I sourced them just majority online since, ayun nga, it's the pandemic now. We need to be extra careful, and naniniwala ako, as long as you have the will, the drive, the motivation to find or to make something possible, anything can happen as long as you put your heart into it as well. So yes! I hope you like my room tour. And yes, you can like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I hope to share more of my craft on my next videos, on my next content the next time. So, okay, thank you and see you soon. Mwah. Bye!